Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, konnichiwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go learn. Today we are going to learn about how to code C programming in code blocks. At first, to program in C++, you need this software called code block in your PC. You can download this code block from this website. You can see that. From here I have already downloaded the software. Because of that I am not downloading it. If you want to see the how to download and install the code block, I have already made a video about that. You can also see that. It will be in the description or the I button. And now let's go start C++ program. At first we have to create a new file, a new empty file. We have created a new empty file. Now let's start writing C++ code. Here in this, at first we have hashtag include. Hashtag include means the hashtag include. Then there is iostream. Iostream means the header file, and hashtag include tells the processor to include the header file, in the processor. And using namespace std, it is the scope, it is an scope. And integer main and double quotation, it means the function name. And there are a second bracket is starting second bracket and ending second bracket. And inside those two brackets we are going to write our entire code in C++. And here we have written something, written something hello world. And this is count in C++. Count means the output. After writing count, we have to give to operator or to operator. This operator exactly look like the less than operator, less than symbol. And this two less than symbol, those two are the operators are in C++. And after writing those two, writing the operator, we have given a double quotation is at first of the word hello world, and ending of the hello world. And for ending the line, we have using quotation this quotation this quotation. And and after that we have written return zero means an exit statement, or we can say like a success statement. It is a success statement. And after that we have after finishing the code, we have to save the code file. To save the file. For saving in the file, we have to click here save. And now here we can write the name of the file as we like. I'm just writing the C++ program, program, C++ program. And then after writing the name, you have to give a dot, then write cc. Because this will be the cc is the extension of C++. It means we are writing the C++ program. Now we are saving the program as c or C++ file. There is another very different type of format, but we are saving this file at C++ type. Now save it. And now we have saved it. After saving it, the file will look like this. your code will look like this. If you have any error here, it will show error in writing statement, it will show or a red dot here. And now because it is not showing any red dot, now we are going to run the program. Here we can click to run, and here we can click build or run. We are clicking on build and run. The program build, and now a compiler will open. The compiler has been opened, this compiler, and here we can see there is written hello world. This is our program. If we change the hello world, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our channel, then if we run the program again in the compiler, we can see that the topic has been changed. Here is the subscribe to our channel, and this is how you write C++ in code blocks. Now you have become a programmer, you can write anything and try anything as you like. C++ is a very easy programming language. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.